Hi friends, welcome to the field of Technos Project Creator where you are learning about the basics of web page, and this is an project which is basically used to centralize the web page without using bootstrap. Guys, it's a very easy thing to learn. The things which are basically required for this work, we need these applications like HTML editor software and browser. Okay, in HTML editor software you can use like Adobe Dreamweaver or HTML kit, composer, like this. And in browser you can use any kind of browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, UC browser, like these kinds of browser you can use for rectifying or to check your work as an output. Okay, now let's start the work. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we need to create a folder where you will work, right? So we will take a new folder, give its name as to centralize a web page. Now let's create two folders, one for CSS and another we don't need, actually no need. Okay, so let's click on Dreamweaver. Yeah, this is the thing which you are watching. This is a Dreamweaver software. In this Dreamweaver software, just simply click on HTML, this one. The page is being created. Okay, look here, this is the thing, HTML. This HTML tag is open here and is being closed right up here. Okay, so first of all we will save this entire document in the place where we created our folder. Okay, so let's save it. The path where you created your folder, here. Give the file name and the HTML file name as index and click enter. The file is saved in that location. See, this one. Okay, now we need to create another file as CSS. Okay, so again we will take another new file and click on CSS, then create. Again we need to save this document in that same location. See, this one, to create a web page, right? To create a centralized web page, click here in the CSS part, give this file's name, give this document's name as style. Okay, style, and save it. The extensions you can see here, this one index.html, which was HTML document, and style.css, means the extension of CSS, the file's name is style. Okay, now what we will do is we will make a link of index.html from style.css. Okay, so in the head part, see, this is the head part. In between this head part, just click after title, make an enter, and create the link by pressing Shift F11. Okay, you have seen that a prompt has been popped up, CSS style. Now click on refresh. Here you are seeing that a hyperlink is being given, attach style sheet. Okay, attach style sheet. Now click here. Here you are seeing that a URL is being given and a browse option is being given. So click on browse and choose the file where you had saved that. See, this is style, you chose that time, and click on OK. Now look here. Okay, in this place the link will come after clicking on the browse. Okay, see, the link has came. This is the link which is connecting the entire thing. Now see here, this link has created here. Source code was our HTML code, and the style part, see, this style part is here. That means what we can do is, the work we will do here will simply show a reflection right over there. Okay, so in the style part, first of all we will come in the style part. In the style part we will see that we will type here as first of all body. The body part, see, this one, this is the body. Okay, this body's background, everything is being given in style.css. Okay, so in this body we will create a second bracket, open and close together, and in between those brackets we will type first of all a color, say a background color. Background color we chose here, say red. Okay, we chose a red color in the background. Now the padding, I must say that padding is the one which makes some space in between some blocks. Okay, till now just understand that padding means to give a space in between, inside a block. Okay, any kind of block, inside a block you need to give some padding. You can use at that time simply padding here. So we are creating a padding as 0 here, because in the body part we don't need any kind of padding. And simply margin, we will give the margin as 0 right over here. So till now if you will watch in our HTML you will get nothing, because we had simply given a background color and padding margin 0. Till we are not doing any kind of work on it. Okay, so for that purpose, say I had given say 200 pixels as a padding. Okay, so if we save this page, let's see what we can see. We are opening it in Chrome. Let it open. See, in 200 pixels as a background we are finding that this entire thing has become red in color. Okay, now how to centralize? Say you want to give some text, and the text or some pictures, all the entire web page should be in a centered position. So in that way what we will do, we will simply take a class as a container. Okay, dot is for class. I have given here dot. See, a dot is being given here. This dot is for class. If I would have given an hash like this, this is for ID. This is the difference. So I'm taking a class as a content. In this content part I will take a width, say 1140 pixels, and padding 0, and margin. Zero auto. Why we are doing it, I will tell you later. Now to implement this content part, you need to make this content to be called right over here. For that purpose, we need to take as a div div class, simply type here content. See, okay. Now in this content, say you want to give any kind of image, say img image source. We are taking the source from, say, any kind of picture you can give here, say this one. Okay, so let's take it, and alt is for an alternate purpose. Now for this time, just leave it blank, and in this place just leave this place as blank and close it in this manner. Save this file and just see what happened. See what has happened. This space, you are saying that why this space is being given. So I can remove this space by, as in the body part I had given 200 pixels, as I told you. If I will make it 0, it will definitely come in the top. See, it has came, but still this picture is not fully in size because this picture is not in a center. You can see that this place is small and this place is big. So as because this picture's width is not taking as 100%, we will make this width as 100%. Like in this image part, give a class name as big. Any kind of class name you can give. For say I had given big. So in the style part, class big, big. Just simply give width 100%, padding 0, margin 0. Let's see what's the output. See, now it is in total center from this side and from this side. So my dear friends, you can understand that without using bootstrap, we can centralize our page in this manner, and you can do your work like this. For today, this much is enough.